Hi everyone, it's Anna from Sprintax here. We are delighted to share that Sprintax Federal e-filing is now live on the Sprintax tax preparation system. In this video, I will bring you through the Sprintax Federal e-filing process that will allow you to e-file your federal tax return. When you complete the Sprintax questionnaire and proceed through the order breakdown and payment stage, you will be ready to submit your 2020 US tax return. If you wish to e-file your federal tax return, you must first confirm you have not e-filed your 2020 federal tax return before. Once you select this option, you can select the Proceed with e-file option to move to the next step. If you prefer to mail your federal tax return, this option is still available. You can download your federal tax return, print it, sign it, and mail it to the IRS. To proceed with e-filing, please select on the Proceed with e-file option. Next up is the e-file authentication. To e-file your tax return, first you must electronically sign your tax return using the information requested on the screen. Before you can sign the return, we need to first verify your identity. We will ask you to provide information from your previous year federal tax return. If you filed a federal tax return last year, you can either provide your prior year adjusted gross income or your self-selected 5-digit PIN. Your adjusted gross income can be found on line 35 of your 1040 NOR or on line 10 of your 1040 NOR EZ for 2019. Please ensure that the information you provide here is correct. If you did not file a tax return for tax year 2019, please put 0 for your prior year adjusted gross income. If you filed an amended return for tax year 2019, please provide adjusted gross income from the originally filed return. You will be required to select any 5-digit number to electronically sign your current federal tax return. Please enter any 5-digit number other than 00000. Please ensure that you keep a record of this PIN in a safe place. You will need to acknowledge that this PIN is your signature for your current year income tax return and that you are now authorizing for transmission. You will be required to read the disclaimer and confirm that you have reviewed the information that you have entered and examined your tax return. You will be required to read the consent statements and confirm your agreement with these statements. You will need to confirm that the social security numbers of each person on the return are correct. You will need to sign the above consent to disclosure by entering your date of birth. Once ready, you can select the e-file my return option to electronically send your federal tax return to the IRS.